travelling and camping experiences as a kid really allowed me to discover my passion for science and art. It was like a whole new world to me. The untouched environment pushed me to question everything as I travelled through it. How is this mountain formed? Why is this river shaped like this? At each different place, I just wanted to stay forever just to find the answers to my questions. I was around the age of 14 when my parents gave me my first camera. It allowed me to capture features in the environment that I enjoyed questioning and looking at. It also allowed me to freeze time and reminisce on the feelings I felt at that certain place. Having a camera didn't change the way I perceived my surroundings artistically, it only added to the way I view the world scientifically. My name is Emma and I'm a photographer and geologist. When studying science and art, I treat each area of study differently. I feel like science is the exploration of the world around us and art is the expression of our inner consciousness and thoughts. But for me, both subjects share a common theme: awareness. Being aware of what is occurring externally within our surroundings and being aware of what is occurring internally within our minds. Art is everywhere and is subjective to personal opinion. Within geology, I find mountainous landscapes formed by tectonic uplift eye-catching and strong. Meandering rivers created by fluvial deposition peaceful but violent. And beaches formed by high-energy wave impact powerful and mighty. Even a single rock can be art to me, since every rock is different. Different in colour, different in size, different in shape, and different in texture. All can be eye-catching. Visually, landforms and their features are my art forms, and photography allows me to document this, while geology allows me to understand these environmental processes. Science is also everywhere and dependent on personal knowledge. Within photography, understanding the processes of capturing a moment of time within the camera is important, as it allows for more control over the final product. It is important to understand the amount of light a photograph needs through the change in exposure. This can be used to create a moody or bright scene. Composition of the photograph, what needs to be added or subtracted to create the rule of thirds or the Goldie ratio, is also essential, as this makes the image more pleasing on the eye. Changing the size of the aperture changes the focus of the overall image. This impacts the way the audience perceives it, as softer images create a timeless effect. Understanding focal length is also helpful. Longer focal lengths create a more in-depth, up-close view, whereas short focal lengths, the audience is able to interpret the entire surrounding scene. Everybody can perceive a work of art, even if they don't enjoy it or understand it. Science is just additional knowledge behind this creative process. In the end, question everything around you. Question the science behind art and the art behind science. Right-brain people may use logic and knowledge to view our surroundings, while on the other hand, left-brain people may see the world as an art form. But what if you see your environment as both? The world doesn't change just because your perception does.